Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me again, and this time I'm out here in a spring forest. Whoa, look at that. What is it over there? Some kind of blue vehicle. Looks like an SUV. I'm parking and going to check it out up close. The snow is already melting, and the breeze feels so warm. Wow, no way. We've already found a Minecraft car before, but this time, it's Steve's car from Minecraft. I can't pick up the pickaxe, and the car looks really unusual, but this is so cool. And that's Steve's head. Hey there. Looks like the glass is tinted. I can't see if Steve is inside, but overall, this SUV looks amazing. It seems to have a diamond camouflage paint job, and diamonds are the most valuable thing in the game, right guys? Too bad Steve isn't inside, but I can already see a lot of interesting finds. Looks like he left all this for us. Whoa, that's a bow and arrow, a powerful weapon against skeletons and creepers. Tell me, are you afraid of creepers? Nice, the bow actually shoots, so I'll be able to defend myself. And this is that cubic artifact that turns the normal world into a Minecraft world. But it looks like it's not active anymore. Seems like Steve got stuck in our world with his car. But where is he? And this is a torch, a very important thing. At night you can't survive without it, otherwise creepers and skeletons will spawn everywhere. I'm right, guys. Oh, this is a potion. I just wonder which one. What are the coolest potions in Minecraft? Damn, Steve already drank it all. Oh well, I guess he needed it more. Whoa, is this a recipe book or a spell book? So many symbols or runes, nothing makes sense. We need to find Steve so he can decode all this. Oh, and here it says that to protect yourself from skeletons, you need fire or a torch. I knew it. Oh, and here's Steve. This is definitely his car. Where are you, buddy? Alright, let's start restoring it so we can surprise Steve when he comes back. The car is really dusty and dirty. Looks like he's been gone for a long time. What's this? Some kind of gray head. Oh, it's a skeleton skull. Steve must have killed it, and I wasn't even scared at all. Whoa, a pixel-style assault rifle? Haven't played Minecraft in a while. I must have missed that update, but it's cool. Steve always has the most insane finds. Wow, he even has a skeleton spawner in the car. Hope nothing spawns right now. And even a creeper. Hope it doesn't explode in my hands. Haha, look at me. I'm a dumb creeper. All I can do is walk around and explode. The keys are here, but they don't turn the lock or start the engine. Let's figure it out. Oh, either the battery is dead or it's missing. Whoa, Steve installed a new carburetor. That's great. But the distributor cap came off. I'll put it back. And the fuel pump is loose. I'll fix everything now. Battery compartment is over there. I'm going to grab mine. Tires seem inflated. That's good. Taking both the battery and tools right away. Installing the battery and putting the terminals onto the poles. Putting the distributor cap back on. Gotta blow off the dust so the contacts stay clean. Connecting the wires to the spark plugs. Guys, tell me, do you love Minecraft as much as I do? How do you like today's find? And will you share your diamonds with me? Just kidding. Your likes and subscriptions are enough. Starting to install the fuel pump. It's not a difficult task. Would you like to meet Steve in real life? I think he'll come back soon, and we'll become friends since I'm fixing his car. Who knows? Maybe he'll let me keep it, or we'll go mine diamonds together. There we go, like building Lego, securing everything in place. The pump doesn't react to my presses. Probably no fuel left. I'll refuel it now. Steve will definitely be happy. For Steve, I don't mind filling a full tank. Well, as long as he teaches me secret crafting recipes or shows hidden locations, he definitely has more Minecraft experience than I do. There we go, that's better. Fuel is flowing. Attaching the hose. And securing it. Sealed tight. Putting the tools away. Spark is there, so I'm tightening the battery terminal. Voila, getting ready for a test drive. Backing up a bit so I can get out of this forest spot. Getting behind the wheel. Let's go. Not far though. I just want to make sure everything works. I'll stay here and wait for Steve after. Well guys, that's today's video. Take another look at Steve's diamond car from Minecraft. Thanks for watching till the end. We'll definitely see each other again. Subscribe and I'll film an interview with Steve.